to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Good morning guys. So, ganito ang bike lane nila dito. Ang pintura lang. Hindi katulad dun sa atin na talagang nakahiwalay. Tapos dito talagang patintero sa pedestrian guys. Nakakamiss din. So for this vlog, ito tayo sa North Haven. Test natin yung services ng North Haven guys. So let's go. Tayo sa baba ng SM lang. Ito yung nirecommend sa atin guys, yung North Haven. Silipin natin sa may Casa Vallejo. Doon tayo punta doon guys. Samahan nyo ako. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe na. Matang maglakad-lakad. Walking around lang tayo. Time check 10:20. The CSW PNA na laging po ay sa pamanang restaurant. Sa Kasamali ako since 1909. Nakatakot no. Dito tayo mag-inquire. Ito yung recommended sa akin ni ni Sarah. May gupitan din pala dun no, sa baba. May kung anik-anik pa, budget meal na rin dito, burger and what not. Alright, old building guys. Ito tayo bang ghost hunting tayo. Ghost hunting tayo dito. So entrance ito. Natago ko muna yung camera. Ito sa Casa Vallejo. So kaya yung ano dito, North Haven. So kaya North Haven guys. We are hiring. Ganda ang lobo. Silip natin. Wow, ganda nga. Ganda oh. North Haven. Ay, North Haven. Casa Vallejo. Tayo sa North Haven. North Haven Spa. North Haven. Let's go inside. Ito, ang tawag na dito, bulo, basta yung anito nila, anito. Yun yun. Ang gusto kong tattoo sa legs. Baka meron sa baba. Magre-relax muna tayo ngayon. Let's go. Exciting.
A few moments later.
North Haven, may patsa pa guys. Patsa muna tayo. Alright, let's go. Bukas naman yung facial. Free ni Mrs. Let's go! You. Alma Mater, St. Louis. Ito yung review center natin guys. Yan guys, review center nung araw. NLRC, shout out NLRC. Let's go. NLRC guys, shout out. Paulit-ulit.
Pogi pa ng outfit na kuya.
Pogi oh.
Oh, dyan pala yung pogi. Shoutout mo kami.
Shout out ka na.
Shoutout kuya. Shoutout. Anong pan mo exam?